Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey folks, we got a 1970 SS 396 Chevelle convertible. It's not been on the market for over 15 years. It's been in climate-controlled storage, and it's a number match motor, trans and rear, and factory Fathom blue car. So how about I take you for a spin? And if you go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get all the specs, pictures top to bottom, the pricing on this car, and a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale. Best I can tell, this is an original metal car. I was in the trunk looking for seams. I couldn't find any. It's got the original splices and the jams still. The floors look like they're all original. Again, it is a factory Fathom blue car. The car presents itself really well, but the restoration is probably 25 years old. It has Eagle ST tires on it. They quit making those a long time ago. Stripes are painted on correctly, bumper is nice and bright, tail lights look new, rubber pads excellent, it's got the cowbell exhaust tips. I was under it. I think it's a stainless exhaust system, but it is a pretty new exhaust system, new gas tank. Got the F41 suspension. It's a bench seat so you can sit next to your sweetheart. Tilt column with the deluxe wheel, factory AM/FM. Factory gauge package with tachometer. I see the clock is even working. Door jambs are nice, has metal door edge guards. Rubber's all real nice. Cowl induction with hood pins, bumper guards. Front bumper's real nice. These are T3 headlights. This little metal trim underneath here, you never see. I don't know what it's for, but most of them don't have that anymore. So that's a pretty honest car. Motor compartment's all detailed and correct. Also has components that usually you don't see, but the wiper motor looks new. It's got a cadmium plated brake booster. Cowl induction's all complete. Has the right spark plug wires, the right hoses, clamps, fan shroud, fuel pump. It all looks correct and stock under the hood there. And it is a VIN number matched motor. It doesn't look like it's a restamp. It's very legit. The dates match up. The trans is VIN number matched. The rear end's a 331 Posi for a 70 Chevelle. Power convertible top. It's black. It's in real nice shape. So trunk compartment's completely solid under the mat. Like I said, I was up in there. I don't see any seams or splices. It has an SS wheel for a spare, the complete jack. The paint's a little dry under here, little rough right here, so it's not a perfect car, but it shows well. It's going to get compliments anywhere you take it. The wheels are the gray and silver, that's correct. A lot of guys redo them black and silver. So there's a lot of honest, original qualities that I recognize with this car. I said the guy's owned it for 15 years and never used it. He had some health issues, so it was stored. Fire it up for you. Cowl induction closes. Of course, it has power steering, power disc brakes in front, power top. It's not warmed up yet. It hasn't been started since yesterday. Reproduction floor mats, the upholstery, door panels, dash area is real nice, kick panels are nice. I see the lights are working. It has all of its seat belts. It even has the light monitor system and an automatic hood closer. It has a light monitor system that tells you when your washer fluid's low. So once it gets warmed up, it runs beautifully. go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find plenty of ways to contact us. They have a whole staff of people, and their job is to help you with financing, shipping, any questions or concerns that you have. Like I said, the car does run fine. It's just not warmed up. So visit the website, volocars.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as they're being put out there. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.